Welcome to the third tutorial in our web platform series, using the search page. The search page can be found up here in the top navigation bar and is available to everyone, even if you haven't logged into the Ancestral Homes platform. When you first load the page, it simply shows all of the homes in our collection, 9 at a time. As you can see here, each card includes a picture, if applicable, as well as the name of the home, some basic location details, and the year it was constructed. At the top here, you'll notice that there are search fields available. Country and family name tend to be the most popular search queries, so they're always visible. To use them, simply type a name into either or both of the text fields. Our search is case insensitive. Canada with an uppercase C and Canada with a lowercase c will both yield the same results. Once you've filled in everything you want to fill in, click the search button. The number of homes that match your search will be listed here. As you can see, as of recording this video, there are 44 ancestral homes in our database, located in Canada. If there are more than 9 search results available, you'll see this Load More button at the bottom of the page. Clicking on it brings up the next 9 homes. If you want to return the search page to its original state and clear the search filters you've added, just click the Reset button in the search section. Once it's clicked, you'll go back to seeing the original, unfiltered list of all of the records in the Ancestral Homes Network database. To accommodate genealogical researchers with more specific queries in mind, the Ancestral Homes search page also offers an advanced search feature. To access it, simply click on Advanced Search, here underneath the family name field. Upon doing so, the search section will expand to display a series of categories, each of which correspond to a subsection of our database records. There's geographic, census, structure, events, and residence. When clicked, each one turns into a drop-down menu listing all of the different fields in that subsection that you can search by. If you see one that you would like to use, simply select it in the drop-down menu, and it will appear as a search field below. You can add as many advanced search fields as you like. If you add a field by accident, or decide that you don't want to search by that field anymore, simply click the red X to the right of the search field and it will disappear. As with the original country and family name search fields in the first example, once you have selected the advanced fields that you would like to use, type in your search keywords and then click on Search to see the results. This time, my advanced search yielded me 9 homes. If you see an entry in your search results that interests you, the search page is also the easiest way to get additional information about specific homes in the Ancestral Homes Network database. Simply click on a card in the search, and you will be taken to a detail page that includes more photos, as well as tabs for location information and structure details. Even more information about census data, residents, events, and any other references used can also be found here, and can be viewed by clicking on their respective section titles. With all of this in mind, you are now fully prepared to start digging into our international archive of ancestral homes. Happy searching!